How to play Spotify in Discord. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following tutorial, I'll show you how can you play Spotify in Discord. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now, first of all, you want to open up a browser. So here on the web browser, you want to type in pancake.gg. Once you do it so, it's going to take you to this sort of field. So here you want to make sure to go ahead and connect it so. In my case, I've already added it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. So here you want to make sure to go ahead and log into your account, enter in your credential, all that, and click the login button as you're logged in. Now here, make sure to tap on the human and all that. After you've logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. Now what next you want to do is you want to exit out of this page and then go ahead and open up your Spotify. And then you want to play the particular music or you want to open up the particular music that you want to play. Let's say this is the one. And click on the share button and then click on copy link. After you've done it so, you want to exit out of this page and then you want to go ahead and open up your discord.com or Discord account, and then for the Pancake GT here you want to go ahead and type in, or on the search box here, what you want to do is you just want to type in the prompt, that is capital P, and then give an exclamation mark, and then you want to type in play. Once you do it so, then give a space and then paste in the link that we've recently done it and click the head arrow icon button, and then you'll have successfully played it out. Now here you could go ahead and see if you've played music or Spotify in Discord. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.